Hello and welcome back to another episode of an oral history of Team Lightning. Again, this is not going to be so much of a history-focused episode, instead to answer another question I feel might arise, and maybe not a question that would have arisen so much as a question I'd like to answer, which is how can I, the viewer, which not I, but you, the viewer, get involved if you want to get involved. So currently with Team Lightning, I have a sort of, in a weird way, like a scholarship program essentially. And what it is, and I have a degree written up, and I'm probably going to be opening up a little bit, and I also have quizzes online, is it's a number of requirements you have to fulfill, and if you fulfill all those requirements, then I'll send you like a virtual fake degree to show that learned what you're doing. And I have one other student who you saw in a couple of the videos, Lucian, who had gone through and he'd actually gotten his degree in prehistory, and so I felt he was qualified to sit with me on the hot seat and talk about the world. But I'd love it if more people wanted to do that. There's no necessary, it's not really a reward necessarily for doing it. I can give you a loose promise that if you do want to go ahead and earn your degree, go ahead and contact me, and I'll send you the document. I might just make the quizzes publicly available anyways for people who just want to take the quizzes for it. But if you want to actually go some of the other requirements, which probably involve hopping into like a Discord call or something with me, so we could go over some of them, just go ahead and hit me up, and I'll for sure send you those. The only thing I can do, if you do want to go ahead and do that, is I could say that if I ever do make Team Lightning something, and you took the time to go ahead and earn your degree, then I would, hire you as some kind of lore expert or as a writer or whatever, because you have a high level of understanding of the world. And obviously, it takes so long to explain the world to somebody that if it ever got to the point where it was famous enough that I wanted to, that I needed people to sit in on it and help me with everything. And if enough people really take that plunge and really dedicate themselves to Team Lightning, then I promise I'll go tenfold doing that into making it something. And I promise I'll make it something special, so that way your investment feels worthwhile. But even then, you shouldn't be doing it for that. I'd hope you'd be doing it just because you wanted to, because you were interested, or just because you're my friend and you're just got nothing better to do with your life. The other thing that's really important to me is, as a viewer, is I'd really, really like it if you ask questions and stuff, because I feel like I talk a lot, and if you're just watching this online, just video feed, I feel like there's a lot of things you might not understand, or I might be talking too fast, or there's something, maybe my mic drifted away, or just something you just didn't understand, or I forgot to go over that left some blanks. It'd be really, really helpful if you left a comment. It'd also make me really, really happy if anybody's actually watching these. And if people aren't, that's fine. But I'm saying if you are a viewer who are watching these for whatever reason, and you're interested and you want to get involved somehow, just leaving a comment and asking some questions, if there's something you don't understand, would be really, really helpful. Or you could even ask a question for something I haven't taught yet. You could say oh, I was curious, what happens in Arc 9, or what happens in this part. And I'd gladly write a little essay for you about what happens. The other thing I'm offering for people who earn a degree, kind of as a reward, anybody who earns a degree, I will let you write one of the lightning councils. I have a couple, so basically there's 250, 5 lightning councils you can pick from to do. I have a couple other numbers that are off limits that I'll tell you, but if you do earn your degree, you're allowed to come up with a story for one of them, and it's entered into Legends canon. So, that'd be pretty cool, I think. I think. I don't know if anybody actually cares. And if you do get it and you don't know what to do, then maybe I'll help you. And I'll be like, oh, you could do something like this, but I'll let you fill in the greater details, if that makes sense. So yeah, I think that's just about it. If you could think of any other ways to get involved, go ahead and leave a comment. If you have any fan art, I guess, you can go ahead and send them in, because obviously, like I said, I've just been using this a lot. And I think, having something else to use that probably isn't copyrighted, that I'm probably legally allowed to use, would be really cool. I was kind of joking with my friends, it'd be really cool if someone could draw an Eliksni / a Clom, and yes, I did kind of steal Eliksni from Destiny, you can sue me. The Clom, with their little tiny baby hands with one of their claws retracted, eating a crayon, I think would be really, really funny. Or otherwise, you could just draw almost anything, and I'd happily use it as long as it's related to Team Lightning for all my thumbnails and all the beginning of my videos. So that'd be something really cool if you could do that. And if you do come up with an idea for Legends lore, even besides the council, of course I'll have to read it, and I might be a little bit, hesitant. I might say I have to change this or this, but if you do write something, I probably will just put it into Legends for you, and I probably won't question it too much, because Legends is still wishy-washy lore. And the majority of what you're writing would be Arc Zero, because there's a lot of time in Arc Zero to talk about and to span that I just don't, because I don't know what happens. Don't have it all filled out. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching.